Hey everyone, did you know that you can actually earn rewards just by watching and engaging with content on ReelShort? Yep, it is true. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most out of ReelShort's reward system so you can start earning while enjoying your favorite videos. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and open up the ReelShort and make sure that you log in with your account. You can click your profile and log in using your email, your phone number, or social media account. Being logged in is key to tracking your rewards. Next, watch and engage with videos, right? To start earning, simply watch videos and engage with content you love. Liking and commenting, you can find right here. I'm going to the website to show you how to like and add video to your list or add video to your favorite list, right? By liking and adding the videos to your list and sharing videos by clicking share and sharing videos are all actions that count towards reward points. Make sure that you log in with the same account, of course, from the browser to your app. And by clicking profile, you get to see your rewards will be filling. Okay, and participate in challenges or contests. Keep an eye out for any challenges or contests that ReelShort may run from time to time. These events can give you extra chances to earn rewards. Usually, they'll ask you to complete certain tasks like watching a series of videos or using specific hashtags, right? And next, check your rewards dashboard. By clicking your profile right here, you're gonna find your wallet, right? Make sure that you check your rewards. ReelShort will track your points and rewards in your account, all right? And if possible, redeem your point. When you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for rewards. And you can find a section that you can see right here, your rewards. Now, as you can see, I expired my own rewards, but if you don't, you can just go ahead and redeem it by clicking refill right here, and you're gonna be able to see an option that allows you to redeem or claim them. Okay, and stay active. To keep earning, stay active on the app. ReelShort rewards users who frequently interact with the platform, so do not forget to come back daily and interact with the videos by liking, adding video to your list, or sharing even. Okay, and pro tip, make sure to follow any notifications from ReelShort automated about limited time rewards or bonus events. You can go back to your screen to double check if you can get a notifications. Go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, press notifications from here, following the ReelShort. Make sure that you allow notifications for more and more content and rewards. And that's it. Earning rewards on ReelShort is all about staying active, engaging with content, and keep an eye out for special events. Let me know in the comments if you've already started earning or have any cool tips for maximizing your rewards. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.